Everyone, welcome back to my video, and today I'm excited to show you how to solo Nature Cavern using Nezuko and Itachi. Now, you might be thinking, but Cat Therapist, aren't these units hard to get? Well, yes, they can be, but I'm here to provide an alternative method in case you don't have Rengoku like I mentioned in the thumbnail. This strategy is the easiest one I know for Nature Cavern, and it's a breeze to solo with the right setup. All you need is Itachi Overlord with Evolution, Nezuko Overlord with Evolution, and our boy Yojin. Now let's go on to the video. Let's start by placing Yojin first and then deleting it after wave 2, so that we can have enough funds to place Nezuko early, and afterward we'll position Nezuko on this area. If any air enemies leak, we can bring in Itachi if we have the funds available. We have sufficient funds to place Itachi, so let's position him here. After that, we're going to position Yojin in this location and give him top priority for upgrades until level 4 by deactivating the skip function, so that we can rapidly upgrade Yojin. If any crystals appear, we'll remove Nezuko and have Itachi handle the incoming enemies effectively. Once Yojin is fully upgraded, you can start deploying units on each path. If a crystal appears, you can remove Nezuko and then place her again as needed. Once Yojin is fully upgraded, you can start deploying units on each path. If a crystal appears, you can remove Nezuko and then place her again as needed. If you made this far, congrats, and by the way, a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually not subscribed. So hit that subscribed button, click that notification, it helps a lot, and I spent so much time making this video. Thank you, and goodbye, happy grinding folks.